Hello and welcome. This is Ajinkya. This is update to my Night Store game. I've added few additions such as typewriter effect to my dialog plugin and few UI updates. And the most interesting part is the workstation component along with the recipes. Also, this board which tells you current active orders. So we need to give apple juice. So let's see how to build an apple juice first. So apple juice needs two apples and one bottle. I've also added a small drop animation using the sequencer. Uh, these are not very best animations, but I think that's it. Also, in future, I'm going to fix the first-person camera because the head is coming in between. And you can notice as soon as the recipe matches, it turns green. And so we need two apple juice. So I'm going to pick this up, drop it here. We need one more apple juice. All right. And here we go.
Bye.
And mind, I mean, watch out for the robotic movement. It's because of my mouse. I'm using a thumb mouse. That's why my mouse moves like a robot. Also, you can hit the spacebar key on your keyboard to skip to the next part. So we need one bottle here, and we need two banana apple juice. Yes, that's an interesting recipe. So we need one apple, one banana, and one water bottle. All right. So now the thing about recipe is it is matching the recipe. Okay, so partially it is matching apple juice because apple juice needs two apples, but it has found one apple and one bottle. That's why it's partially matching. And it doesn't mean the selection doesn't mean anything. I mean, it just for display. uh, but the UI is just for showing what is available. Okay, if I try to hit E key to, I mean, it will tell me there are no ingredients. Okay, and that's it.
Bye.
All right. So these are the new additions, and also there is an interesting part you must have seen. All these bottles, they are not placed manually by me; they are spawned. Okay. I'll go with the boxes first. So to the crate, you'll notice I have this item rack component, which is what is using it to spawn things. Okay. Um, at the moment, okay. Okay, so okay, sorry, this guy must be in a different instance. But what I wanted to show you was if I inspect this guy, go to this one. Okay, so now you'll notice this one is none. The reason is because I forgot, I have manually edited it. Once you drop it here, you can keep attaching items. And over here, I've assigned what it has to drop. So item rack is going to drop apple, the instance to spawn, the Z upliftment. Sometimes the mesh is too low, and the placement is grid. I can even set this to spiral, so you'll notice how it gets spawned is in a different way. So they get spawned like this. Okay, for meta spiral, the nature's natural leaves dropping style. Okay, that was it for this part. The most interesting part is the workstation. Workstation is not only for juicer; it can be attached to anything, literally to oven or anything, burger, hot dogs, anything. Okay, all it needs is the recipe. Okay, the animations can be controlled via the actor. So in this case, juicer workstation is the actor, and it can accept workstation component can be attached to any actor. Okay, all it needs to do is have is recipes, and the output things. So it is going to output this banana apple juice. So the name has to match in the output classes, and it will pick the mesh for dropping it out. All right. So I also have this inject point and intake point. So this is what I mean. This, and this, they are not attached, but they are connected to each other via delegates, the C++ events. And I heavily rely on delegates. And that's it from my game so far. But I would say my game is at the MVP right now, which can have unlimited quest using dialog plugin, which I made. And in future, I'm going to polish my game further, improving the animation, improving the UI. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed.